Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today ang topic natin is lifestyle change. Okay, so when we say lifestyle change, so it's for better, right? It's not for worse. So we have to make a change for us to get better, right? So if we are ill at this moment, so we have to make another change, okay, in order for us to get well. Okay, so what are we doing in the past few days that make us feeling ill? So what are we doing in the past few days that make us feeling lousy? Okay, so what are we doing in the past few days that make us poor right now? Okay, so we have to make a lifestyle change, okay? So lifestyle change begins within us. It is called the discipline, okay? The discipline. And it's really very hard to maintain being a disciplined person, right? From the food we ate, from the things that we're doing, and for all the things that we keep on doing every day, okay? So lifestyle change. So me, what am I about to do in order for me to change for the better? So me, I want to get rich. Me, I want to get healthy. Me, I want to become beautiful. Me, I want to become sexy. So what are the things that we need to do? What are the things that I need to do in order for me to do that lifestyle change? In order for me to hit my goal, okay? So first things first, if I want to be rich, I need to become a disciplined person, right? So I need to learn so many things, financial, emotional, physical, because emotion is also very important, okay? In getting rich, emotion is very important. Why? Because there are people who are fond of impulse buying, okay? May nakita ka lang na isang item na feeling mo bagay sa'yo, maganda sa'yo, and hindi naman magiging asset, it will just become a liability, you purchase it, okay? Impulse buying. Sometimes ako din ganun, pero ako, impulse buying for the two purpose, for selling or for giving to other people. So, I will just post it. Okay, kapag hindi pa time na i-deliver or ibibigay ko sa tao, ipopost ko muna. Kasi my mentality is, hindi ko pa naman dadalhin, so ipopost ko muna. Kasi baka mamaya may magkagusto, pag binili to, 'di ba? Bibili na lang ako ulit ng regalo ko. So ganon. So it's two-way, right? It's two purpose. So lifestyle change. Gusto mo maging healthy, so what do you need to do? Of course, you have to eat healthy food, right? You have to take an exercise every day. Ako gusto kong maging healthy, ayoko nang may sakit ako. So, it's a very good thing that last year I just decided to make myself committed to walking every day. So I used to walk after sending Sasha to school. I used to walk around 6 a.m. to 7, but this time it's vacation time, so I need to walk 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, so I need to become a disciplined person in order for me to achieve my goal, right? And at the same time, the beautiful thing about walking early morning is I used to visit the business partners of mine and doing business at the same time, right? I'm increasing the potential customers. I'm looking for prospect of my goodies. And the beautiful thing about prospecting is if you get the chance to talk to the people, okay, and you can make a close deal, right? So when you make a close deal, di ba, customer mo na yun, and it will be a repeat order. Of course, di ba? So lifestyle change. If you're not friendly in the past few days, in the past few years, in the past few decades of lifestyle change, you need to become a confident person, di ba? So how can you become a confident person? You have to learn, you have to read, you have to buy books, you have to listen to people who are teaching on how to become a confident person, right? You have to read books. There's so many things that can lead you to your goal, okay? So that is lifestyle change. Okay, another thing is, you want to lose weight. You want to become a better version of you, right? You want to become Coca-Cola body. So what are you going to do? Of course, you have to eliminate fatty foods, right? Increase the intake of fiber-rich food, like eating apple every day, eating mga phytonutrients food, right? It's very effective. Eating oatmeal is also good for the heart, right? So you can try that, guys. So lifestyle change is very, very beneficial to our body, at the same time to our mind. One thing that I have learned about being disciplined and being committed when it comes to exercise is you become goal-oriented, right? I feel goal-oriented. I feel that I'm already committed to what I want to do. And okay, so that's the secret of the rich daw, guys, eh. Discipline. So we come to become a disciplined person. We wake up with purpose, right? So we have to make a lifestyle change in order for us to hit our goal. Okay, so Ben, thanks for watching. Love you all.